flashy.
Shall we make something fresh?
Yes.
Okay.
Lovely and cheerful.
Yellows.
Yellow and white, I think it will be very nice. What do you think?
Okay, a white and yellow bouquet. That's good. We can call it white and yellow bouquet.
White and yellow? No, it's so boring. We have to call something, I don't know.
Lemon and white. Lemon and white.
Lemon drizzle. What do you think?
Oh my god, I'm hungry.
Yes, lemon drizzle.
Lambert.
She
made me hungry. She made me hungry, Lambert. Can we have some lemon drizzle? Oh, I love that. Oh, I love that lemon drizzle. Especially when it's lovely and juicy. Oh,
And
God, look at that.
Yes, and beautiful roses again, you know. And like...
Matricaria.
Oh, I love matricaria.
Do you know what is matricaria?
So beautiful.
I'm the knowledge, I'm the book or something.
Oh,
this one is
no.
actually...
It's like a chamomile family.
That's it. That's a type of chamomile. That's it. You don't make a tea, but like it is a chamomile. It is. Love that. Now and then again.
And look on this small friend who is with us today.
Oh, do I need a hat?
Oh,
Yeah. This one. Actually, this bouquet would be very nice for Easter. Yeah.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Actually, yes,
The
yes.
color. I
Not
think we
only
should
for
keep
the
that.
Mother's Day, yeah.
Not only for Mother's Day. It's a very fresh, really fresh bouquet with beautiful colors. Oh God.
Yellow and white is always very popular.
It's
Yes.
actually yeah. It's kind of lemon drizzle. This is amazing name.
Yes, you see? Lemon drizzle. I'm dreaming now.
Yeah, I'm dreaming now of lemon drizzle. That's it. Be a bit slower because if you're too fast, that Lambert think that I'm not very good.
Come on, he knows you are the best one.
No, actually, I think you make the nicest bouquets. I really like your bouquets, Tanya.
Thank you.
I always liked. And then you have lovely big hands, so it's not a bother for you to twirl it together. Okay, now we're going to place the gerbera right here. I have one more matricaria.
And you see, I'm finished again.
You're making the small size. How many times do I have to tell you? So you're using less blooms. I'm using more blooms for my amazing bouquet. Oh my God, it's gorgeous.
It's really nice, really
good
nice,
bouquet.
I tell you, yes.
That was a good choice now, really. I would love that.
Beautiful.
It's very spring looking, very happy, sunshine. That's it.
Lemon drizzle.
Okay, lemon drizzle. It is actually lemon drizzle. Oh, look at the silver.
The silver
Beautiful.
greenery. It's a local one, yeah?
It's local one, yeah. That's local. Grown in Wexford, actually. Just
amazing,
outside.
yes.
Good, long lasting. Love it for weddings as well.
Yes, I'm done with my one.
Ta-da! Lambert, gorgeous.
Beautiful. Really beautiful. Very nice and fresh.
Very fresh, really nice.
And I agree, I think it's not just for Mother's Day. I think this is going to be beautiful for Easter as well. It's that fresh spring feel as well. Absolutely. How are you going to wrap it? What color wrapping are we going to take for this?
I think the natural will be nicer, white.
The natural will be lovely, I think. Yeah.
Okay.
But actually, both of them.
Both
will
of
be
them
nice,
would good,
yes.
yeah.
Yeah, try
Natural
one,
and
yeah.
then- Okay,
Maybe
maybe
you
you wrap the natural, I do the white, and we'll see.
Okay.
Brilliant.
Okay.
Lemon drizzle bouquet will be ready. Look.
Oh, it's so cute. Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think?
Which one? Oh, I think the natural.
They're beautiful.
Which
They're
one?
both beautiful.
Actually, both
I love the
gorgeous.
natural paper.
I like the natural paper.
But the white works well
But
with
the
the
white
white
is really
flowers.
nice,
So
background.
either way, they look fantastic.
Yeah.
But we're definitely going to put them on the website for Mother's Day.
Yeah.
I think they're going to be a real success.
Yeah.
And absolutely, we're going to use them for Easter.
For Easter,
And
100%.
with our little friends, look at them. So one more time, all the blah blah blahs.
No.
Lemon drizzle.
Lemon drizzle. That's actually a fantastic name. Yep.